Okay, we're going to try this one out. So in this one, it is identify all pairs of each type of angles in the diagram, name the two lines and the transversal that form each pair. So first thing, let's see, what's a transversal? So the definition of a transversal is of a line intersecting a system of lines. So another way of saying is a line that intersects a system of lines. So we're looking at intersections of the lines is what we're looking at for transversal. All right, so the first one, it says which ones are the corresponding angles. So the biggest thing in geometry, what I'm seeing, is you have to know the defined terms, what corresponding is, what alternative interior, I can't even say it, alternate interior is, same side, alternate exterior, transversal. So you're going to need to know the definitions of each to provide you what you're looking for. That seems to be the biggest thing that I'm finding. But regardless, so corresponding angles lie on the same side of the transversal and in corresponding positions. So if that's the case, using lines A and B, so if we look at these two lines, A and B, then we see that angle 6 and angle 7 would be the intersecting lines and the corresponding positions. Okay? So 17 would be your angle 6, angle 7. And if you're looking at lines B and C, then that would be angle 2, the opposite here, and angle 5. All right, 2 and 5 for B and C. Now, let's go on to the next one. Alternate interior angles. So alternate interior angles are non-adjacent interior angles that lie on the opposite sides of the transversal or the intersection. So, all right, if we look at D and E, these two lines for our number 18, then the transversal would be angle 2 and angle 3. 2 and 3 for D and E, because it would be non-adjacent and opposite. Okay. If you're looking at A and B, as we did before, then an alternate interior angle would be your angle 1 and your angle 4, because it would be interior and alternate. And then if you look at C and E, it would be 4 and 5. All right, moving on. Number 19. Same side interior angles are interior angles that lie on the same side of the transversal. All right, so using lines D and E again, then that would be your 5 and 6. Same side transversal. If you're looking at A and C, that would be 3 and 7. If you're looking at D, C and D, that would be your 1 and 7. A and D, the opposite, that would be your 1 and 3. And then, of course, leaves B and E, and that would be your 2 and 4. All right. One more. Exercise 20. Alternate exterior angles are non-adjacent exterior angles lying opposite sides. So if you're looking at lines B and D, or rather A and B, the transversal is D, so it'd be 6 and 8. Confusing, but let me know if I need to make some more of these.